don't struggle, I rise. I no longer settle for less than I deserve. I align with ease, I receive without force. Smart work flows through me naturally and clear. High value opportunities always appear. I'm not here to struggle, I'm here to expand. I build my empire with vision and plan. What once felt distant is now in my hand. My dream job exists, I fully command. I think smarter, I move wiser, I attract more with less. Every action I take multiplies my success. I release the old belief I must work hard to survive. I now work in alignment and I thrive. I get paid well for being my highest self. Money flows easily, I don't chase wealth. Smart work, big results, effortless rise. I live in abundance, I claim my prize. High income, freedom, respect, and ease. Life works for me, I attract with peace. I am valuable, skilled, and deeply desired. I step into the life I've always admired. I choose growth, I choose power, I choose expansion. I attract roles that match my passion. Work feels light, success feels fast. I am creating a future that always lasts. People see me, recognize my worth. I am meant for success from the moment of birth. I don't burn out, I rise above. I work with purpose, passion, and love. I am not overworked, I am overflow. I don't push harder, I let it flow. I am the energy money runs to, aligned, powerful. This is my truth. I get paid well for being my highest self. Money flows easily, I don't chase wealth. Smart work, big results, effortless rise. I live in abundance, I claim my prize. High income, freedom, respect, and ease. Life works for me, I attract with peace. I am valuable, skilled, and deeply desired. I step into the life I've always admired. More income, less stress, more flow, more success. Everything I want wants me to. I am aligned, I am chosen.